welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am so glad that you are here. For today's video, I am doing an unboxing. A couple of months ago, I bought my first tef-lar bag. So if you are unfamiliar with the brand tef-lar, it is it's not a new brand, but throughout this year, especially with like racial injustice, people have made it like a big thing, which is great. People have pointed out the importance of supporting Black-owned companies. So tef-lar was one of the brands on Twitter that really blew up. I mean, y'all, the site sells, like, as soon as they say, okay, we're about to drop these bags, they sell out so quick. So it is a luxury bag brand, and they sell sizes from small, medium, and large. They have a wide range of colors. They actually just collabed with UGG. I'm pretty sure that sold out as well. They have other accessories from like jewelry to t-shirts and stuff like that. I think they even sell like hats and belts now. But I think it's just important that we start to put a light on our black-owned luxury. Like, let's stop fighting over Gucci, Louis, Prada. You know, let's stop arguing over Birkins, and let's start, you know, supporting our own artists, supporting our own people, supporting our own brands. Okay, so I will put down in the description below the link to the website. So I purchased it in August for my birthday. It was part of like one of the things that I bought for my birthday. They were doing a security bag program, and pretty much that was like a pre-order system to where you would guarantee a bag pretty much. So you would pre-order your bag, and they gave the dates from December 15th to January 15th. So I actually got mine before December 15th, maybe like December 10th or whatever, and I haven't opened it yet. It's almost January. I wanted to open it on camera, give you guys a review of how I felt about the bag. So before we get into this video, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so that you never miss out on a fashion haul, try on haul, lookbooks, review videos, whatever. Make sure that you subscribe so that you can never miss out on a video. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and drop down below in the comments what's your favorite luxury brand or any Black-owned businesses that you feel may need a little bit of shine, or just, you know, how do you feel about the bag that I got myself. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here's my box. It says, has the tef-lar. So it's been around since 2005, and the designer is from New York. So let's get into it. Okay, I got a bag in a size medium, and I got a pool blue. Now the reason why I got pool blue is because all of my purses and all of my bags are like black. Like, I don't have any color. I was like, so let me just be a little different this time, and I got a color that I completely usually shy away from because it's so like different. So this is just like a little bio of the designer, and like a little intro just in case you're not really familiar with like the hype about tef-lar bags. So it says that Tef-lar Clemens is a Liberian American fashion designer, DJ, and the founder of Tef-lar, a genderless fashion label based in Bushwick, Brooklyn. They actually kind of like refer to these bags as like the Birkin of Bushwick, so I'm guessing like that's where he's from. And yeah, like that hype just really, like, you know, his bags like lived up to the hype. People love these bags to the point where they sell out in seconds, honey. Tef-lar shopping bag has been called an it bag and the decade's most important accessory by major fashion publications. The Tef-lar bag is designed in vegan leather, so if you wanted to, you know, heal the world, save the world type of girls, this is the bag for you. And it is branded with the signature T logo for Tef-lar. The bag originally molded after shopping bags from Bloomingdale's and is known as the Bushwick Birkin due to its combination of its it bag status and accessibility. Like I said, y'all, it's kind of hard to get these bags. You gotta stay on it if you want it. So let's open it. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, so You get it in like this little Ziploc bag, so I guess it's like an extra layer of protectant. I like that. See, I like how it has like the brand on there, so I'm gonna keep that just because it has the brand on it. So it comes with a shopping bag. That's what I love about like luxury bags. I only have 2 others besides this one, so I have 3 in total. But I think it's so cute that they give you like this, you know, water protectant or like dust protectant. I just, you know, I love how they give you like a bag for your bag. I think that's so cute. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color, y'all. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear it. So like my initial reaction, I love just the quality of this. Like it's just so not thin and flimsy, like you actually can tell like it's good quality, and it's just like super cute. This is, I'm not used to this color. This is such a pretty girly color, so I actually want to like start collecting these. I want to get the pink, I want to get the orange. They had like a chocolate color, and I want the yellow, so I'm had to slowly collect them over time. And the reason why I got it in a size medium is because I pretty much like to put my whole room in my purse, so I try to make sure that I have a purse not too big, but something that'll like hold all my stuff, like my lip gloss, my wallet, my brush, like, you know, just making sure that I have enough room in my purse. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so cute. I'm so excited about it. So there's this is like a shoulder length strap, and then it's like a regular, a smaller strap. So there's like a little tag on it, super cute. And I just love, I love the uniqueness of the logo. I think that's super cute. So yeah, the medium, if you're looking to get the medium is really is decent size. Like I'm not sure how big the large is, and I'm not sure how small the small is, but the medium, definitely. I'm obsessed. Like I'm definitely gonna get other colors. So they give you like a little zip pouch on the inside, and then it snaps closed like that. Y'all, I cannot wait to stunt. Like, okay, wait, I'm stuck. Y'all, I cannot wait to stunt on the girls. Like, I finally got me a tef-lar, bro. Like, what? Y'all, it took, okay, so the hype around tef-lar started in like maybe June, July-ish. Like I said, when all of like the Black Lives Matter stuff happened, people you know, they were hyping up black owned businesses, like saying, you know, let's you know, shop black owned only. And yeah, so tef-lar was one of those brands, and people were obsessing over it. I mean, if you go on the website now, everything is sold out. So make sure that if you want to get a bag, you have to sign up for the newsletters and put your email, sign up with your email so that you can get you one of these. Because I looked up and I did the pre-sale security bag system that they had, and that's how I got mine. Now every time I tried to buy a bag, like the morning of when they dropped it, I miss it every time. And another thing about it is, since it's so high in demand, somehow resellers and like bots and stuff like that, they go to the website and somehow they're able to like buy a whole bunch of bags at the same time so that they can hike the prices up. So stupid. So if they do another security bag program, make sure that you hop onto it, and I probably will too, to get me another color. I think I want the pink next. I don't know what y'all think about this color. So yeah, I really like it, and it's super cute. Like, look how vibrant that color is. Like, I got me a tef-lar. Like, this is better than a Birkin to me. Like, this is better than Louis, Prada, Gucci. You know, this is better because it's black owned, and I feel like a certain type of pride when I rock my people's own stuff. Like, I love it. And make sure that you stay tuned to my channel, because I will be dropping a styling video, especially since blue, this bright blue, it's kind of hard for me to style, but I'm going to challenge myself to it. And yeah, just make sure that you subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that you can be be ready for when that video drops. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below what you think about it, and stay tuned to that styling video, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.